Hello and welcome. We are going to check out Lakeside Country Park. Just wait for the traffic to die down. A little bit busy. Down through here. You can see the river already. Let's check it out. I wonder why you can just go down to it. Can you cross it? We can cross it. It's not that. It's really shallow. Wow, look at that. Lovely. I'm not brave enough to ride across on my bike. Over the bridge. Social distancing. Keep 2 meters apart. Oh, this is a view from the bridge. Lovely. It's like it's man-made. Check the other side. Another bridge. Right, let's go, go, go. Should be able to see a little lake here. Oh, there's a lake. Morning. Morning. Let me get down to the lake. Oh, it's a duck. There's a goose. Don't feed the wildlife. Lovely. So this is Beach Lake, according to the sat nav. Oh, there's a bunch of new houses over there. I've got a nice view over this park. We're just going to look at the geese from here. I don't want to get too close. So we're going to go back up on the main track and just do a circle around this place. There's a goose. Through here, cut through the car park. Oh, there's a map. Let's check out the map. You are here. I thought they might close the car park. Oh, this is the railway. Eastleigh Lakeside Railway. A little steam train runs round there. I've been on it once. Not running today. There's so much green here. So much green space. Oh, it's just like a bowl. Fleming Park. So let's turn left here. Through these little gates. All these are new houses, loads of them. Oh, it'd be nice to live around here. Look at all the daisies and the buttercups. Wow. They're big flats. Well, big for the UK anyway. This is all newly developed. Right, going left goes back into the railway park. We're not doing that. Look at all these daisies. I've never seen so many. They're loving it. Wow, all these houses all like identical in this development. Look at that. It's all the same. Right, we're going to go right down Ambassador Walk. Yeah, this is part of Eastleigh. And I think this takes us back onto Stoneham Lane, and that's the lane we used to come out here. I didn't show you it on video. A little bit windy today, quite cool. So this path runs along the the park on the left. Like a nature sort of reserve, I suppose. Fleming Park. Turn right. Oh, I guess that must be Fleming Park. Let's see what that sign says and we'll come back through here. The sign says Fleming Park here. On the left. Oh, I haven't planned on coming out here. Better be good. Oh, it's a leisure centre. Oh, look at that thatched house. That must cost a fortune to rethatch. You could buy another house for that kind of money. Where's this Fleming Park? Must be this one. There it is. There's a little bridge. We're not going on that bridge. We're going to check out up here. I've never been here before. I didn't know this has existed. This is huge. There's a little skate area. I'm not going to do that ramp. What is this called? It's not signposted anything. Oh, there's like a little paddling pool on the left. Let's see if we can see it. Oh, this is Fleming Park. This is Fleming Park. There's a little pond or paddling pool. And what is that big? That must be a gym or something. Where's he going? That dog's gone mad. Let's go up through here. This is the toilets, I guess. Not open. And they're cutting the grass. This is brilliant. I love this open space. Can you hear the water? Let's go down this path, see where it goes. There's another little bridge. Right, onwards this way. We'll follow the river. I like these lines of trees. I know they just act as a windbreak. Lovely, isn't it? There's another bridge. This park is huge. Where does this go? Right, this is a bit rougher, the grass. This is a bit more unkempt. Right, we're going to follow the nicer path. There's not much more to it now. Well, this is a nice surprise. I didn't plan out coming out here. It's lovely, isn't it? Fresh air. I want to know what that black building is. Let's check out the black building. What is it? It's like a blot on the landscape. Not really. It's like a ball cube. Oh, it's a swimming pool. Except it's not open. That's what this big building is. Oh, car park's empty. This is brand new. This is called Placia's Leisure, Eastleigh. Not open because of the lockdown. Lovely trees. I do like those trees. There's Another bridge over there. Let's check that out. I'll keep finding new stuff. I want to like end the video at some point. I'll keep finding stuff I want to go have a look. Let's have a look at this bridge. Let's go around here. Through here. Bit of a hill climb, this one. Power lines. This gravel is a bit smaller, a bit better for my tyres. I'm not going to get a puncture today, touch wood. Wow, I've never been so close to a power line, look at it. That is a monster. That is a monster power line. Whew. Let's just have a look at the woodland. Look at the redness, red through the trees. Alright, I think we're coming to the end now. It'll take you a few hours to walk all the way around this sort of place, but only a few minutes on a bike. Oh, now the downhill. This takes us out, I believe. That goes back in the park. What is this? It's like a bridge? You go under the bridge. There's a tunnel. Whoa, it is steep. This place is massive. This is Route 24, National Cycle Network. There's a little bridge down there. I think that goes back to the beginning. I'm sure it does. I haven't got a clue. Place goes on and on. This is lovely. This is like a secret. I don't even know about this. Where does this go? Ah, there's a road here. This is called Kestrel Road. Let's have a look at this little bridge. I can certainly hear the water. Go up this little trail. Whew. Flies. Oh, nice. There's a little green area. Up to like Lordsdale Greenway almost. Lovely, isn't it? Amazing. Right, we'll go up here and then we'll go through the tunnel and see where that tunnel takes us out. I'll get off if I see someone. This place is huge. Look at those bluebells. Right, let's check the map because I'm a bit lost. This has no name apparently, according to Google. Let's get going. I can hear people shouting. And hopefully there'll be a name for this place at the end of this path. There's trails going off to the left and right. Alright, this is the end. Where are we? North End Nature Park, this one is called. Well, I think we'll end the video here. to a Honda garage. Oh, I know where we are. This is where most people drive in coming from the motorway. And that takes you to town centre through here. Won't need the sat nav now. So I hope you enjoyed that one. We'll see you next time.